Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to write a Python program for checking if a given number is a strong number or not. So first of all, let's discuss what is a strong number. A strong number is a number like if we calculate the factorial of each number, like if I'm having say suppose 36, if I'm having 36 and if I calculate the factorial of each digit, that is 3 and c, and if the addition of those two numbers are equivalent to the original number, like if the addition of the factorial of these two numbers is equal to 36, then we would say that this is a strong number. So let's do one thing. Let's start our program and let's say we would like see it for this number 36, and okay, so we want it for 36. So first of all we need to find the factorial of each digit, isn't it? So for finding the factorial we need to, so let's say for I, or else we'll use a while loop. While number is greater than 0, we'll iterate in the for loop, and we'll also define a temp over here which stores the number, and okay, here we store the number. And also let's do one thing. um, so we need the digit, the we need each digit by digit. So we'll say the digit equals to number percentage 10, and this would store the digit in the number. I will say number equals to number this, like division by 10. And okay, so let me explain you what all things are happening over here. I'm now printing over here dig and num, so you get the good idea. So first of all you can see, like let me increase this number. Okay, so here you can see that now the number over here is the first, the digit which we are getting first is 7, then we are getting 6, then 6, then 3. So this is the digit, and the number which we are getting after, like slowly is, first of all we are getting 336, then we are getting 36, and then we are getting just 3, and then 0. So basically here we are finding the remainder when divided by 10. So this will just return a single last digits, uh, and when we are dividing that number by 10, the quotient which we are getting is just number after removing the last digit. So this is it what we are doing till here. So now we need to write, like we need to find the factorial of these digits and find the sum of those things. So let's do one thing. Let's define a variable called total, and we will assign it, like initialize it to 0. And let's say I'm having a function. Let's say sum, or else let's say any other variable. Let's say a equals. And I'm having a function where when I'm passing the digit, I'm getting back its factorial value. And now I want to find the sum of these factorials. So I'll just say total equals to total plus 1. So and now if we need to write an if condition over here, if the total equals to the temp value, then print will print it's a strong number, else will print oh spelling mistakes, will print it's not a strong number. So okay, here we are, but we are not having any function called fact. So we would need to define a function called fact. So let's do that. We'll define a function def fact which takes which takes one parameter which is n, and we'll find the factorial over here. So while n is greater than while n is greater than or else let's say I equals to 1, and I'll say f, which will store a factorial, this is also equals to 1, and when I is less than n, we'll go in the loop and we will do f equals f into I basically, and then we'll increment the value of I. Okay, here we are. So, and also we need to return the factorial after the entire operation, that is return f. So here we will get, like, let's say I want to check this, let's check if this function is working correctly. So if I write 5 over here, this should print, this should give us 120. Oh, it's not. Okay, let's do one thing, let's print it over here, print f, and so it's 1. Okay, there's some problem over here. So why is it showing us 1? Okay, let's print it over here, and now it's 1. Okay, and when this is less than n, okay, till this. Okay, what's the problem over here? So from 0 to plus I equals to I plus 1. Let's see, let's print the value of I over here, and this is also 1. So I think the value of I is not getting updated. So I is, oh, the I should be less than or equals to this. Okay, so that was the mistake. So yes, we got the answer as 120, which is correct now. Yes, correct. So our factorial function is now working correctly. So let's do one thing. Let's run our code, main code. It's not a strong number. Okay. So this should be here. Okay. So the number 3667 is not a strong number. So now let's check for number 145. And this is also not a strong number. Okay. And okay, this is also not a strong number. But 145 is a strong number. So what's the mistake which you are making? So we are writing here 1 instead of, so we need to write here a. So we need basically, so now it should work. So yes, it's a strong number. So 145 is a strong number. So now our code is working properly. So now let's summarize what we have done over here. So first of all, we defined a number, we had stored copy in temp variable, we defined total to 0. We are iterating till the number is greater than 0, and we are finding each digits, like if the number is 145, we are first of finding 5. From this command we are getting the digit, and then basically we're finding the factorial of the number. So if the number is 5, the factorial is 120, so we're getting first of all the total should be 120. So 120, so the since it is first of all 0, and now the value of a is 120, so 0 plus 120, total value of 120, and this goes on for 5, 4, 4, and for 4, and for 1 also. And after this we are comparing this total value with the temp variable. So here it is temp and here is total. So, and this is the function for finding the factorial. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're having any doubts regarding this program, you can ask it over to me in the comment section. If you're new to this channel, guys, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Thank you.